Well, it's a quick video on how to use the df command in Linux, and that's going to tell you how much drive space you have left on your drive when you're using the Linux operating system. You do have to have a terminal open, so I'm going to switch here. So you open up the terminal so you can type in your commands. So I'm going to use the Option H. Clear that, bring it back up. Okay, so the screen here. df Option H one more time. So that gives you your drive space. This is my main drive here, so that's what I'm looking for. It gives you all your partitions. So I've got a few partitions here because I'm using a virtual machine, so it's a little different. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. So I'm going to exit out of my. So there you have it. I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching.